auto expert this morning with all kinds of cool cars out here on the patio, here to tell us about the grand opening car show coming up.
Absolutely. Thank you very much. Let's go over here and talk to the main man, the myth, the legend over here, Greg Rentis. This guy can pull more horsepower. You can probably pull it out of a brick. So you're owner-operator of a CCC, Certified Car Clinic, correct?
That's absolutely right.
And you just moved to a larger location.
Yep, we expanded our services. We actually have an in-house engine shop and actually a body shop. So we have 2 locations, over 22,000 square feet total.
And you're, as far as I know, you're the only 4-wheel dyno in town.
I think so. I think you're right. I don't know anyone else.
Have you figured out how to use it yet?
Yeah, we've had some fun with it. We put some nice cars on there already.
Well, and speaking of having fun, if people come at the end of the month on the 30th to your location, and the address is?
It's 11425 Woodside Avenue in Santee.
You're going to have what I would call a rather unique car show, and at a grand opening, doesn't cost anybody anything.
No, it's open. There's no registration required. Bring down your hot rod, your new or old. We're going to have kind of a dyno day. We're going to have food trucks there. We're going to have trophies, all kinds of fun stuff.
I know, and if you've never seen or heard a dyno before, folks, bring your earplugs.
It's a lot of fun, absolutely. Yeah. It's a little scary for some people, but it's always fun.
I've never worn an earplug yet. Hey, let's talk to some of these folks. Hi, what's your name?
Damon.
All right, do you know how to run the dyno?
No.
Are you going to learn how?
Yes.
All right. And who are you?
Abigail.
How are you today?
Good.
You just started school, huh?
Yeah.
How was the first day?
Good.
There you go. Hi, and your name?
Violet.
Hi, Violet. How are you?
Good. What about you?
Excellent. You going to start running this business here pretty soon?
Yeah.
Well, I know you're sits right next to your mom. You've pretty much got it figured out, right?
Yeah.
All right. Let's go talk to some more of these other folks. Let's go talk to, little Mr. Horsepower. And your name?
Leo,
How much horse?
1350.
Gas mileage?
4 miles to a gallon.
Oh,
If I'm lucky.
piece of cake. Hey, there's my friend here. How you doing, buddy?
Good to see you, Dave.
Good to see you, too. What do you got here?
I got my 60 Ford F100.
Yeah, this thing's pretty quiet looking from the outside.
Yeah, it's got a little supercharger in the hood also.
Yeah, and it runs well.
It does.
Well, you've taken it to good guys and ran it in the rally, haven't you?
I run the Maverick, my other car.
That's right.
Yeah.
Right here on
Yep.
his shirt. He outdid me. He customized his shirt. All right, let's see. Well, this isn't the owner, but this is another one of the builds at CCC.
Yes, sir.
And you are?
Aaron,
How you doing?
good and yourself?
So you'd rather have one of these other cars?
I love them all.
This one's nice, though.
It's all right.
It's all right. All right. So, again, it's going to be the 30th. It's a Saturday. And the address again?
It's 11425 Woodside Avenue.
And it's totally free to come down and watch you. I mean, the food will cost you a couple of bucks, but it'll be a show like you've never seen. What are the times?
It's from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m.
And I highly recommend you get there early, get a good parking spot, and just have some fun. Because if you've never seen a full-blown hardcore dyno shop, this is it.
Yep, it's going to be an open house. We're going to take people on little tours and everything that we're doing over there. It's going to be fun.
Yeah. And I hear you became Mr. Mopar in town as far as horsepower goes.
Yep. I'm kind of starting to love the Mopars a little bit more. We just got done building the motor on this one and everything. It's a beautiful car, and I got the pleasure of driving it around today.
Yeah. Good old pal Joey just didn't want to get up this morning. All right, here you go, kiddo.
All right, thanks for joining us this morning, everyone, with all these cool cars, telling us about this fun event. We'll be right back.